Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, November 13th. And here are our morning announcements. It is today. Today is early dismissal day. So today we get done at 1:05. So hopefully you made arrangements for early dismissal for today. So boys and girls, I hope that all of you kind of told your parents and family members to make sure that you get picked up at 1:05 today. Parent-teacher conferences are tomorrow, so they're happening from 3 o'clock until 7 o'clock tomorrow, which is Thursday, November 14th. So make sure you remind your parents about the conferences tomorrow. And we do have a birthday to announce for today, and happy birthday to Katie Wilson. I hope you have a great day today. And for our lunch choices today, we have pancake with sausage, smoked ham, or sun butter and jelly. And our pause expectations are brought to us by Mrs. Rambolt's second grade students.
Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our pause expectations, and today we have 3 suggestions from students in second grade in Mrs. Rambolt's room.
Be respectful to others. Be kind to others, yourself, and other teachers. If your teacher leaves for a minute, respect the sub and do not. Even if your teacher leaves, just don't mess around with the teacher and don't be rude to her.
Thank you guys, those are good suggestions.
Thank you very much, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everybody have a wonderful day today. Remember, early dismissal today at 1:05, and just remind your parents that we do have parent-teacher conferences tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.